So you love the universal functionality of LaTeX, and you want to use it in FeedbackFruits. It's as easy as pie. If you already know the markup, you can do it there, no problem. Let's go into this course and create a FeedbackFruits exercise. Let's just make a quiz. Give it a name. And let's create some questions. A question. Add a multiple choice. And here is where we'll enter the LaTeX markup. Now, you might be used to other opening and closing symbols, but in FeedbackFruits, as in Blackboard, we use the double dollar signs. So anything between the double dollar signs will be interpreted as LaTeX and display as math. Let's add a couple of options here. I'm just going to copy paste some of these from my document here. Now these will not appear until we save the question, and they will just look like markup until we're done. So I want to save this. Now you notice down here it just looks like markup. When I hit save, now it looks like it should. And of course these are not exactly related. Now, it's different if I add something like instructions with the text block. If I paste this in, it will continue to look like this, just as text. So we need to use, where necessary, the insert formula feature, and you'll remove the dollar signs. And in the beginning, click Save, and then your formula will appear. Save that, and now we're set. Now you can use the exact same code in Blackboard. Let's create an item. We'll come down here and we'll simply paste that into Blackboard, and it will understand that. And it's a lot better than using the math type, because Blackboard just natively interprets this. But math type creates an image, which is not accessible and adds a huge amount of code. So hit submit. Second, and there's our code. Now, if I were to do the same thing, well, first let me show you the code for this. In HTML, the code looks like that. If I use math type, I put the simplest thing in there. Something like that, whatever. Click OK. Oh, that looks great, but it's an image, and in HTML, it's all of this garbage here. It makes it hard to transport, and that is the beauty of LaTeX. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I have added some links in the description. One of them is hostmath.com, which allows you to click buttons and build your formula, and at the top, you construct your LaTeX command. And if you're putting those in FeedbackFruits, you just put a couple of dollar signs, copy that, and paste it in FeedbackFruits Blackboard, and you're done. It's awesome. Also, there are instructions with FeedbackFruits about adding LaTeX, and I am also working on a training course just for the math portions of LaTeX. As you know, it's basically a full typesetting markup language. We're just going to look at the math portions because that's what we're probably going to use. Have a nice day, and ask any questions if you need to.